Hi everyone, my name is Nick Russo and welcome to my course titled Automating Cisco ASA and Firepower Policies Using APIs. Anyone who has worked in network security knows how tedious it can be to manage firewall policies manually. I'll teach you how to automate that process using popular automation tools. Specifically, we'll cover three main topic areas: Cisco Adaptive Security Appliance or ASA policy automation using Ansible, Cisco Firepower Threat Defense or FTD policy automation using Python and REST APIs, and managing distributed FTD deployments with Firepower Management Center or FMC, also using Python and REST APIs. After completing this course, you'll know how to design, operate, and maintain various automation scripts to help translate your business intent into a compliant security policy. Before beginning this course, I'd recommend the following prerequisite courses. These three courses provide the foundation of software development and programmability skills that are extended in this course. The content around Cisco product APIs will be especially helpful. I'm assuming you already have a strong background in Python programming. This fourth course focuses on enterprise network automation, which will provide useful context before digging into security programmability topics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to improve your programming skills with Cisco ASA, FTD, and FMC automation at Pluralsight.